Hello everyone, today I'm starting Unit 6, Lesson 6.2 from Science Learner book for Grade 3. It's the Cambridge Primary Science Learner book for Grade 3. Lesson 6.2, the Moon. Let's start. A traditional Chinese tale said that a rabbit lived on the moon. This is not true. It is just a story. What have you heard about the moon? That it is true someone living on the moon? Is there any living thing, plant, human, or some kind of animal? Do you know things about the moon that are true? Like you listen from some friend or from your parents or from somewhere on different media channels about the moon. Someone is on the moon, the people moving from the earth to the moon, like this. Write down things that have heard about the moon. Okay, sort them into things that are true and the things that are not true. So let's more talk about the moon. Facts about the moon. The moon is a large sphere of rock that is moving slowly in a circle around the Earth. We call this circle the moon's orbit. The path or the moon orbit, both correct. The moon takes 29 days to orbit the Earth. It means it's complete one circle, mostly 29 or 30. The 30th again start the crescent, the new moon. So it will take 29 days every month. The moon has many craters like it's made when the space rocks hit the moon's surface. So craters are made when space rocks hit the moon surface. So the surface of the moon, not it's, you can say like if there is no water, like rock, it's made of rock. You can say in simple word. The moon is the only place in space that humans have ever been. And Armstrong was the first person, first man to walk on the moon in 1969. Let's start question answer. What shape is the moon's orbit? Simple, the moon orbit like a circle, so a circle shape. So we can write the moon's orbit in a circle. You want to write all, then the moon orbit in a circle is a circle shape. How long does the moon take the orbit? The 29 days or 30 days. It's better. It's written here 29 days. You write 29 days. Question 3. Why does the moon have craters? Just write because space rock have hit the moon's surface. Modeling the moon's orbit. You will need some paper, a piece of string, some sticky tape, and a large space. So Sophia has squashed some paper to make a wall. She has used sticky tape to fix some string to the paper wall. She is using the wall to show how the moon orbits the Earth. So this the try modeling the moon's orbit like Sophia. Make sure do not hit anything with the paper wall. Obviously, it's not heavy, or you can say very heavy material. Just you are using a paper or just small any item. We are using ball also. It's working. Just or is a small piece of rock. Because be careful. It's when you are moving with the help of string. It's maybe left from your hand and it's touching some other surface or someone head. So it's dangerous. So it's better you're using a paper, make it round, and then attach it with the string like this, and then move with the help of your hand in a round shape. Then you can find the exact way the moon is moving around the Earth. The moon is moving fast, but it orbits the Earth because gravity always pull it toward the Earth. The string is being gravity in this model. Your hand, which is in the center. So that's why it's moving around and around. So answer the question, how can you stay safe in this activity? In this activity, make sure you have enough space when you're moving your hand and the paper, around paper, which you make it with your hand, it's moving all around your head. So you have enough space. If you don't have enough space, it's useless. So also, uh, so that you can not hit other with your moon because you make a moon shape, so it's not hitting the other things. What is being the moon is in this model? What is being the moon in this model? So the paper ball which you make it with your hand is being the moon in this model. What is being the earth in this model? So actually the head of the learner, this is you can say earth because the moon is moving around the earth. So the learner head is the learner head you can say is being the earth in his in this model and paper ball. Just write the rough answer. You should have enough space if you're doing this activity, so you should stay safe. After this, this is the second. Think like a scientist activity. Make a scale model. You will need some white paper, color pencils, 385 centimeter of string, a ruler, and a large space. A scale model is a model that show things at the correct size compared to each other. We can make a scale model of the Earth and the Moon. The model will show how big the Moon is compared to the Earth and how far away the space. In our scale model, we have draw every 1,000 kilometer as 1 centimeter. The Earth is about 13,000. kilometer across. In the model, it will be 13 centimeter. So the moon is about 3,500 kilometer across. The model, it would be 3.5 centimeter. So the moon is about 3 lakh 85,000 kilometer away, or 385,000 away kilometer away from the Earth. In this model, it will be 385 centimeter away. This is according to you. If you want to change, you can change. First, draw a circle 13 centimeter across on the white paper, then color it look like the Earth, green and blue. And next, cut it out. Next, draw a circle 3.5 centimeter across the white paper, 3.5 centimeter. Then draw some craters so it look like the moon, and then cut it also. Now put your model Earth on the floor. Use a string to measure 385 centimeter away from the Earth and put the moon there. Finally, stand back and look at the model. Then you can find, does the moon look close to the Earth or far away? So what do you think? It's closer or far away? Obviously, when you do this, you can find it the space between the Earth and the moon. So try to do this in home. This is the actual picture. This is the real photograph on the Earth and the moon taken from the spacecraft. Okay, it was 5 million kilometers away when it took the photo. Your model should look like. So try to do this in home. Okay, boys, like this finish 6.2. We will start the new lesson in the next video.